Today I am going to tell you an amazing story. In ancient India, there was a man born in a merchant family who was called Mahabodhisattva. When he grew up, he led a group of 500 merchants. They went on a journey to sell their goods in distant cities. One day during the journey, they reached the edge of a vast desert. Without crossing the desert, they could not reach their destination. Mahabodhisattva was very wise and far-sighted. He thought that it would be dangerous to travel during the day, because the sun is very strong, and the sand becomes as hot as burning coal. So he decided that he would travel at night, and rest during the day. They would walk at night, and in the day they would rest in the shade by putting the carts in a circle. In this way they kept traveling for a few days. After a few days the desert guide said that the destination is only one night away. Hearing this, the merchants became very happy, and they finished all their remaining food and water to reduce the load. But that night the guides lost their way. They kept wandering here and there, and finally came to the middle of the desert again. When the sun came out they realized that they were stuck right in the middle of the desert. Now they had neither food nor water left. All the traders were tired. They were thirsty, and they gave up their hope. They lay down on the hot sand, and left their lives to fate. But this young merchant Mahabodhisattva did not give up hope. He thought, if I give up then everyone will die. I have to do something. He started looking for a solution here and there. Then his eyes fell on a small bunch of grass. He immediately thought, if grass has grown here, then there must be water somewhere under it. He called all the traders and said, dig at this place, we will find water. Everyone happily took shovels and tools and started digging. After hours of hard work, they found a hard rock. Now everyone was tired and started crying. They said, we worked so hard, still did not find water. They lost hope and sat there and started blaming their leader. But Mahabodhisattva still did not lose hope. He called a brave young boy and said, son, if we give up, then death is certain for all of us. Take this hammer and try to break this rock. I know there is water beneath it. The boy was very courageous. He believed Mahabodhisattva's words, and he took a hammer and started hitting the rock. The first blow did not work. The second blow was in vain. The third blow was also without any effect. But the boy did not lose courage. He mustered all his strength and hit the rock for the fourth time. And the rock broke. A strong spring of water burst out. And in no time the entire dugout place was filled with water. All the merchants were overjoyed. They quenched their thirst. They gave water to their oxen, filled their pots with water. Now they could continue their journey again, and finally successfully reached their destination. Sometimes in life when we try to achieve success, difficulties come. Many times it seems that it is impossible to move forward. Many times we think of giving up. But remember, you fail only when you give up. Yes, if you keep trying, then one day success will kiss your feet. Sometimes success is just one step away. We need to try a little more. So, never give up. Always keep moving towards your goal. Keep doing good deeds in life, even if they are difficult. One day this hard work will give you true happiness.